Workshop trainings for our parents. The era of knowledge explosion has witnessed a paradigm shift in the scope and level of learning in the cyberspace. Today's internet is a lot more faster and higher in quantum of reach. Most of the day-to-day operations are becoming online enabled. To keep up with the swift expanding communication spectrum, our school also utilizes online communication channels such as mobile app, school blogspot to facilitate our parents and students with the useful academic contents, regular circulars and details of assignments. All this are to support and update our school's pedagogy, to motivate and train our parents on the dynamism of our pedagogy, and also to help expose them to various capacities. A series of workshops were planned and executed sequentially since February 2018. Workshops were held on topics like accent reduction, better parenting, the art and science of handwriting, artificial jewelry making, aerobics and physiotherapy, etc. The trainings were well received and beneficial for our parents.